Laois Libraries have recently started lending the Codema home energy saving kits from our branches for our borrowers for a 2-week loan period. So each toolkit contains 5 easy-to-use tools and 6 practical exercises to help the public save energy at home. The kit will allow people to have a better understanding of their energy usage in their homes, problem areas that may need their attention, and how to improve energy efficiency in the home. So the kits are accompanied by a step-by-step user manual and video demonstrations, and also a guide to home energy savings to give the public some tips for saving energy in their homes.
Well, public libraries at their core are sustainable services. Libraries have been in existence for hundreds of years, and at the core of what we do is we reuse books. You know, they make the communities grow together, they offer the community a place to meet, they offer the community a place to provide information, and as well as that, we work with the communities through providing free event space. We also provide free courses, training, you know, for communities in all areas of the environment. We are proactive in providing climate change information, climate change talks, and access to people who want more information on the environment and on their locality, and as well as that on what their locality is doing for them.
The Europe Direct Centre in Portlaoise is part of a community of 424 centres throughout Europe. The purpose of the Europe Direct is to give information to the public on all aspects of the European Union, including the EU Green Deal. Public engagement is a big part of the EU Centre in Portlaoise. We do this through workshops, school visits, through promotion on social media. We do it to give the public an understanding of what the European Union are doing to promote sustainability in Europe and in Ireland.
We're in the process of reducing our energy usage in all our library branches at present. As a local authority, as a council, and as a library authority looking after library branches, it's up to us to give good example on this issue. In early 2023, our new library in Portlaoise will open on Main Street. It'll be NZ compliant, which is compliant to the latest specifications of energy usage. In our area, we have children from tiny tots up to adults and older people entering our buildings, and there's a really big interest in the area of climate change and energy usage. It's an exciting time in our libraries as we're taking the lead, we feel, and in affecting sustainability in our local area.
We at Laois Libraries are developing a new programme called Stepping Stones to Sustainability, which we aim to implement over the next number of years in all our branches. It's just a way of animating and communicating beyond the jargon to children what sustainability means to them in their everyday life. Because they're the ones that are going to make the big difference in the future.